Hello. In this topic, I will discuss about ethics in arts and entertainment. So we will discuss what is ethics in the arts of entertainment industry and common ethical issues in arts and entertainment. Okay? So can you see the slide here? Can you see it in your screen? So kung ano yung nakikita nyo dyan ay isang painting. Pero itong painting na ito ay isang controversial, but do you have any idea ano yung painting na ito? Ayan. So, umani rin ito ng mga batikos or it is very crucial or maraming ano, nag-criticize sa pag-paint na ito o sa painting na ito. Okay. So, this is Holy Virgin Mary, 1996. Now, in arts, as we said, there are ethical issues. Tama lang ba na ganito yung kanyang i-paint? Or do we have the right to paint anything what we wanted to paint? Do we have the right to express? Yes, sabi ng karamihan. Of course, our freedom is always coupled with responsibility. So, yung sinasabi na everything is permissible but not beneficial. Pwede mong gawin lahat, but you have to follow also the ethical principles. So, you can express what you want to express through arts, through songs, through movies, through the entertainment, but you must be responsible also by following the ethical principles. Yung hindi ka nakakasagasa o wala kang nababastos. So, mahalaga. So, pag-usapan natin dito yung common principles. Always remember that each of us, we are given the freedom or we have the freedom, we have freedom to express what we want to express, but we must also be responsible. So, kaakibat ng freedom ay responsibility. So, follow also the ethical principles para hindi ka makatapak ng iba. Okay. So, here's another one. Ayan. Naging controversial din tong painting na ito. Kaninong paint yan? So, ang painting na yan is kay Banksy. Banksy's disturbing work, Napalm, reworks a well-known photograph by a photojournalist of the Vietnam War. So, Nick Orr, titled The Terrors of War. In the original photography, a young girl runs from her recently napalm village. But in Banksy's version, Mickey Mouse and Ronald McDonald have captured the child still crying by her arms. But this painting was controversial. So what makes it controversial? What are the issues here? So later on, I will discuss so that you will identify what is the ethical issue. Okay. Another example, I think this movie is The Interview. Is a kind of stereotyping. So, the two journalists interview the famous sa North Korea. Ayan. Leader. Okay, another one, the Vatican tapes. May God have mercy on our souls. So, parang disrespect. Okay, so later on you will see why these movies or those arts and entertainment that I've shown are controversial. Okay. Another one, The Birth of a Nation, The Clumsman. Ito yung kilala sa Pilipinas. Shara's team takes down parody song Celos after OC singer Linka takes legal action. So yan yung kilala na song or dito sa Pilipinas na kung saan yung kanyang tono nitong Celos ay hango dun sa kanta ni OC. Okay, that's why they have to take down. So, mayroong unethical issue. Okay, so in this topic, we will discuss some of the ethical issues. But first, let us define first ethics in the arts of entertainment, or ethics in the arts and entertainment industry. Ethics refers to the moral principles guiding what is right or wrong in creative expression and production. So the goal is to balance artistic freedom with social responsibility. So every freedom that we have is always wired with responsibility. That's why we have to follow the ethical issues, ethical principles, so that we will not violate any of the ethical principles. So I will share some of the common ethical issues in the arts and entertainment. Common ethical issues first, censorship versus freedom of expression. Should an artist be limited in what they can show or say? So it means, what are you going to say? So pwedeng censor or anything you wanted to say, pwede ba? Pero mayroon tinatawag na censorship. Yan, or you change the history. So that's example of censorship. So ito yung history, tapos gumawa ng movie, tapos binago or dinagyan ng twist. So, pwedeng makaviolate yun ng censorship because the history ay nabago, or mga words na ginagamit. So, yan ang isang example. Another one is cultural appropriation, when thus inspiration from another culture become exploitation. It means, yung mga nakikita nyo sa mga movies, na pumupunta sila sa isang probinsya, nandun yung mga native, yung na kung saan yung mga indigenous people, ay, for example, gagamitin nila yung kanilang kultura, tapos lalagyan nila ng twist. So, or sometimes yung iba hindi pinapaalam na yung pala gagamitin sa movie. So, that's cultural appropriation. Kaya kailangan ay maging maingat, sumunod sa ethical principles. Another example is representation and stereotyping. How do films, music, or media shape public perception of groups or communities? For example, kanina yung sa the interview, yung Kim Jong-myun, siya yung in-interview doon. So, pwedeng mahulog yun sa stereotyping kasi kung papakita yung perception ng tao about sa kanilang sa North Korea. So, mahalaga na sumunod kayong paano nila i-represent yung taong yun or yung isang community without stereotyping through music, through film, or through sa mga vlog. So, kaya kailangan ay malaman ito ng mga nag-vlog o malaman ng mga nasa media or gumagawa ng film, composer ng song. So, kaya kailangan ay aware ka din sa mga ethical principles. Third, plagiarism and intellectual property. Where is the line between homage and theft? Ibig sabihin, kailangan ay, kagaya ng example kanina, yung selos, plagiarism yan kasi kinopya yung tono. So, pwede kang mag-copy ng iba, dapat you have to give credit to the owner. Kailangan mo magpaalam. Ayan. So, intellectual property rights. Example, so gumamit ka, for example, ng song, binasi mo sa isang kwento, or sa isang community, or movie. So, tapos, yun pala ay hango sa isang movie din. Or, gumawa ka ng movie, tapos hango pala. For example, yung mga dito sa Pilipinas, yung uso ng mga ginagawa nila ng series na K-drama, yung mga pelikula na mga naging mga series sa ibang lugar, sa foreign countries, tapos kanilang nilalapatan ng Tagalog, tapos without asking permission to the original owner. So that's plagiarism and intellectual property rights. So you are violating the law or the principles, the ethical principles. Actually, hindi lang sa ethical principles sa paggamit nito, intellectual property rights is a law, batas. Kaya mahalaga nag-ask ka ng permission. Another one, exploitation and fair pay. Are artists, performers, and crew members treated and compensated ethically? It means, yung mga for example, gumagawa ng movie, tapos may mga kinukuha nila sa isang lugar, o may mga tao, yung mga indigenous people, or those who are still starting. So, nakakaranas ba sila or nakakatanggap ba sila ng fair pay? Kasi hindi ka naman sikat, di naman ganito. So, Ibig sabihin yung compensation ba nila ay uh, enough or fair lang, or baka ito kasi mas kilala ko siya, mas ito yung kanyang matatanggap na PF. So, dapat ay pantay, fair. So, yun yung isa sa mga kinakaharap. Okay. So, another one is privacy and consent. Are individuals' rights respected in production? So, yan sa mga example sa mga reality TV or mga documentaries na kung saan may interview, kinukuhaan, dapat ay alam nila yon, may consent sila na ito ay ipapublish, na ito ay ipapakita, na ito ay ilalagay sa YouTube. So, dapat ay mayroong permission sa tao mismo. So, ang tawag dyan ay privacy and content. So, mahalaga na maintindihan ng mga gumagawa nito ng content or sa media. So, one of the examples, the real world case example sa film is casting controversies, yung whitewashing sa Hollywood. Another one sa music is sampling without credit or compensation. Or another example is exhibition accused of exploiting sensitive topics, example sa war or poverty, kagaya kanina yung sa kay Banksy na napalm. So, at least sa visual arts yun. Another one, social media influencers, sponsored content and honesty with audiences. So, kailangan ay may consent. So, those are the ethical issues na mga common that is being experienced by those in the, or being violated by those in the arts and entertainment. So, kaya mahalaga na maintindihan at malaman ng mga nasa mga content creator, nasa arts and entertainment. So, that is very important to remember. These are the 6 ethical principles that we need to remember whenever someday you will write a song, you become a script writer sa movie or mga documentaries, mga reality shows, kailangan yon. Okay, so ethics in art and entertainment is about restricting creativity, is about responsible storytelling. Every song, film, painting, or performance has the power to influence minds and shape culture. Ethical choices ensure that this power uplifts rather than exploits, unites rather than divides. So, mahalaga because whatever is planted in our subconscious will reflect in our daily life. So, it is very important to share the truth. When don't just twist the truth. Don't twist the truth kahit konti lang, 10%, 1%. So, dapat ay maging totoo, at kung mayroon ka mang ginamit or na mga photos, kailangan magpaalam para hindi natin ma-violate. Or nangupya ka or tinagala mo yung isang kanta o kaya kinupya mo yung tono. So, we must follow the ethical principles. So, art is not freedom from discipline, but disciplined freedom. Sabi ni John F. Kennedy. As future artists, critics, or consumers of culture, you hold the responsibility to question, reflect, and act ethically, because the way art speaks to the world depends on the integrity behind its creation. And of course, if you are content creator also in the media, you have to follow those ethical principles so that you can gain trust also, to build trust among your audience. Now, the project for this topic or the activity is a performance task. Create a short concept piece, poster, or storyboard that demonstrates ethical awareness in content creation. As I explained last time, it must be put in a 1/8 illustration board. So, pag sinabing poster, i-drawing mo, or storyboard, pwedeng mag-cut ka, tapos idikit mo lang dyan. So, ano yung nito? Theme o anong nakalagay? Awareness of the content, or demonstrates ethical awareness in content creation. So, that is the topic or the project for final. And that will be individual. Okay, so that's all for today's video. God bless everyone.